The OBD2 port on the Ram 1500 eTorque is located under the driver's side dashboard. It's about 12 to 18 inches to the left of the steering column, near the brake pedal area. This placement is standard across all Ram 1500 models, including the eTorque mild hybrid. The OBD2 port is a standardized interface mandated by the EPA since 1996 for vehicle diagnostics. This ensures consistent access across all vehicles, including hybrid models like the Ram 1500 eTorque. It provides access to real-time data about your truck's performance, such as engine diagnostic codes, fuel efficiency metrics, and various sensor readings. This data helps monitor the vehicle's health continuously. The port is essential for identifying and troubleshooting issues, whether you're a DIY mechanic or professional technician. In hybrid systems like eTorque, it also accesses battery and motor-specific data. On the Ram 1500 eTorque, the OBD2 port serves a dual purpose. It handles standard OBD2 functions like reading engine codes and monitoring emissions compliance. The port also monitors hybrid-specific data, such as battery state of charge and regenerative braking performance. There is no separate hybrid diagnostic port. Everything integrates through the single OBD2 connection. This unified approach simplifies diagnostics for both standard engine issues and hybrid system monitoring. To access the OBD2 port on your Ram 1500 eTorque, first, locate it under the dashboard on the driver's side. The OBD2 port is easily accessible and not concealed behind any panels, so no tools are required to reach it. Once located, simply plug your OBD2 scanner directly into the 16-pin connector. Turn the ignition key to the on position, do not start the engine, to power up the diagnostic system. This approach avoids unnecessarily draining the vehicle's 48-volt hybrid battery system. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting towards wireless and integrated diagnostic systems. Traditional physical ports are giving way to digital solutions that allow remote monitoring and troubleshooting. Ram 1500 eTorque models exemplify this trend with Uconnect telematics. This system integrates with the vehicle's sensors to transmit diagnostic data remotely, allowing technicians and owners to monitor vehicle health without physical access. This telematics integration enables proactive maintenance and quick issue identification. Data flows from the vehicle's embedded systems through wireless connections to cloud servers, where it can be analyzed and accessed via apps or service centers. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics will become more prevalent, using machine learning to predict issues before they occur. While physical OBD2 ports will persist for legacy support and legal compliance, their use may decrease as semi-wireless technologies like Bluetooth and 5G enable direct device-to-device communication. A Ram 1500 eTorque owner noticed the check engine light came on, indicating a potential problem with the vehicle. They located the OBD2 port under the dashboard and plugged in an OBD2 scanner. The scanner retrieved the diagnostic code P1A12, identifying a faulty eTorque motor sensor. By diagnosing the issue themselves using the OBD2 port, they potentially saved money on a mechanic's visit, highlighting the port's practical value. Experts consider the Ram 1500 eTorque's OBD2 port placement to be optimal for user-friendliness. The dashboard location makes hybrid diagnostics straightforward, eliminating the need to crawl under the vehicle. Its accessibility is essential for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The OBD2 port on your Ram 1500 eTorque is easily accessible under the driver's side dashboard, requiring no tools and just a gentle pull of the trim panel. It delivers essential diagnostic data for both standard engine issues and hybrid-specific components like the battery and motor generator. While wireless telematics are advancing, the physical port remains a vital tool for vehicle maintenance and quick troubleshooting.